Welcome to my March Sephora Playbox, where it's $10 a month with free shipping. Let's get started. Show off and share. Hashtag Sephora Play. Play by Sephora. And here's the bag. It says Play by Sephora. And the first thing it says on the back is how to play open, and has the emoji of hearts, repeat, Sephora Play, and it shows the bag is recyclable. First thing we got is the paper, where it talks about beauty in the wild. Are you more of a party animal or a catnap enthusiast? Go with your animal instincts and see what tips and tricks are best for you. There's Buzz Garden, there's Gloss Glove, there's Kickstart Canopy, and there's Volume Vista. And here's the other side. It says Wild Beauty. Whether you roam the seas, skies, and sunlit plains, run free with these must-haves. Number 1, Stella. Number 2, NARS. Number 3, Glow Glam. Number 4, Fresh. Number 5, Dry Bar. And number 6, which doesn't say 6, it just says bonus, is Bavagari. I'm not butchering it. Anyway, the first item is the Stella. And let's see if I got my Stella. I got my Stella. It's right here. It's called Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner in 8 fluid ounces. And it looks like this. And once I pull it out, it looks like this. And it has like a fine tip at the front. The second item that I got is called NARS. And NARS says it is a powder matte lip pigment in 6 fluid ounces, which is 2 milliliter. And let's open it up and see inside once I get it open, because it's very hard packaging. So 1 second, everybody. It looks like this. Look at that sleek thing. And it has the name on the bottom, which is called Star Woman. And let's see what the tip looks like once I pull it up. Give me 1 second. Tip looks like this. It looks really, really pretty. 1 second. And then the next item that we got is this one. It's in a pretty pink and white packaging. It is called Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. It says Hollywood, California, and it is in the color called Nude Glow. It is 5 ounces, which is 15 milliliters. And for this one, it says that just keep skin looking glowy and feeling dolphin level of hydration with this versatile illuminating moisture. You place it all over your face, use as a moisturizer, apply to the high points of the face and makeup. And back to the one with the NARS, says that you can't go wrong with a classic red matte lip color, especially one that comfortably lasts through everything from sunrise to sunset. Shake well, line clean, bare lips with custom tip and fill with color. And the Stella eyeliner, don't be afraid to spread all over your eyeliner wings and soar. This waterproof wonder is super easy to apply, last all day and night. How to use: shake well, glide on as close to your lash line as possible. Use small feathering strokes for best results. And then the next one I got is called Sugar by Fresh. It is a mint brush. It looks like this in the packaging. It is a 2.2 net gram, which is 7 ounces. And let's see what the inside looks like once I get it open. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's kind of hard. Let's see. It looks like this. Really, really pretty packaging. It says Sugar Mint Rush Refreshing Lip Treatment. This one says keep lips moisture with this cutting edge treatment. Bonus, press your lips together and bring out the mint cooling sensation. Time release ingredients. A cooling system that gives a minty sensation. Sugar helps prevent moisture loss. Oil blend helps moisture in the nurturing lips. In 1 second, you pull it off, twist it up. This is what it looks like when you twist it. And it smells really, really, really strong, minty, and it looks good too. The next item that I got is the dry bar right here. This is the dry bar. It is by dry bar. It's a dry shampoo detox, invisible shampoo. This one says totally clear dry shampoo, keeps your hair fresh and clean. No one has to know you didn't get a chance to visit the watering hole. Shake well, spray into roots of hair from 4 to 6 inches away. Allow to dry, gently rub or brush through. And the last and final item, which I hope I can fit on the other side, is the Bulgovi. It's a perfume. That's what it looks like if you bought the bottle. It says, this gem of a secret will make you feel like you're sparkling, no glitter required. Fragrance is fresh, top notes is lotus blossoms, and bottom is bamboo. If you like this video, please give it a smashing thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and goodbye.